Looking to start a profitable CNC business or scale your production line? Meet the AKM 1325-4A, a professional 4-axis CNC router engineered for mold making, signage, prototyping, and 3D carving. With a powerful 9.0 kilowatts air-cooled ATC spindle, Yaskawa servo motors, and a Syntec control system, this machine handles complex projects with ease and precision. Thanks to its vacuum table, double-stage air pump, and automatic lubrication, you get consistent results, faster and cleaner, with minimal downtime. Whether you're working with polystyrene, wood, or MDF, this machine helps you deliver high-end results your clients will pay for. And the best part? With the right jobs, it can bring in $3,000 to $15,000 per month. So if you're ready to boost your income or grow your workshop, the AKM 1325-4A is your next big step. Backhand index pointing right, tap the link below to learn more and buy now.